Up first, this evening, the security forces were kept busy on Christmas Eve as several breaches were reported. As Dwayne Anderson reports, vendors also had a mixed evening when it came to business.
The warnings to local promoters not to stage illegal parties during the pandemic fell on deaf ears, at least in Merriment, Clarendon, where a massive party was staged on Christmas Eve. The police said a popular entertainer performed at the event. Inspector Tedroy Clark is in charge of operations for the Clarendon Police Division.
We estimate about 1,500 persons gathered at a party. The police intervened and persons ran, to include the entertainer whose identity is not ascertained at this point in time. At the end of it all, 32 persons were arrested and charged for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act, to include one of the promoter and the selectors. We are encouraging persons to obey the law, abide by the principles set out in the COVID protocols, and understand that the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Clarendon Division, will continue to enforce the law.
Meanwhile, at a popular bar and lounge in St. Andrew, a brawl broke out. In several amateur videos posted online, men appeared to be throwing tables during the fight. No such drama was reported in Manchester, but the police were required to ensure revelers made their way home within the prescribed cutoff period.
No one should be seen standing, lurking, or otherwise. You have had enough time, please head home.
In St. Mary, vendors had mixed reactions to the curfew to ply their trade.
Well, right now, through the rain and fall, everything kind of slow. But, you know, I just saw things set.
I'm not complain. If you complain, God send me. The sale is overwhelming. It's excellent. I did not expect this kind of sale, trust me.
And in St. Elizabeth, residents said they enjoyed the extra freedom.
Well, being here, I haven't come to a grand market in over 12 years. Since I'm visiting Jamaica, I'm so excited. It's my children's first time here. I'm so excited for them to be out and about with their fellow Jamaicans and, you know, being in the city.
The police were also present in Linston St. Catherine to ensure persons complied with the curfew measure. Over in St. Anne, some small business people expressed frustration with the curfew. They argue that it is not conducive to doing business.
Well, it was better than last year, but the curfew is not helping us, none at all. None at all. Curfew can't help us. It can't reduce COVID-19.